So I anticipated what a lot of people who don't understand the power of AI or really even what it is to be very delicate about that with the call center people. They're hourly, they get a small commission based on certain stuff. And I think it's human nature that when you hear AI, particularly the way that it's been portrayed in the press up to last year even, is that people say AI taking my job, AI taking my job. So I wanted to be cautious. And what we did was we called in our call center manager and positioned it as though this is going to benefit you in these ways. One, you're not going to have to worry about intercepting every single message that comes through Hatch and crafting your own message. Two, over time, as we train it, we have the data. We're hoping that this is going to increase our set volume or increase our engagement. But in no means is this a replacement. This is a way of being efficient with our resources and taking certain burdens off you. Yeah, they love it. The call center manager said, even right out of the gate within the first 20 days was, God, I love Rachel. This is great because the lion's share of the volume that's coming through from a customer and speech lead is being taken care of. Are there times that I have to, inject myself? Yes, of course. But it's really decreased the volume to which she has to pay attention to electronic customer communications. Yeah. And that was a goal of this, right?